put the salt and pepper. And now it's time to make your aya roll. Yeah. So this one, we call it tamago. Tamago means aya. Okay? So one more roll for your aya. And there you go. And the last is your special aya. So this one we call the aya conda. Yeah, aya conda. One more time. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. We love to move it. There you go. And I believe I can fly. I believe I can make your heart. No drinking. Sorry, Anaconda. No drinking. So now it's time for Japanese massage. So you go. So bye-bye to my Anaconda. See you tomorrow. Okay, the next one is your vegetable. So carrot and paprika and spring onion. Okay, suizo. And the last one is butter with lubla. Yeah, the Japanese ice cream. So now it's time for teppanyaki game. Yeah. Ready? So the game will be easy. You're going to open your mouth and catch this aya. So you ready, sir? Yeah, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Last one, don't worry. We're not playing aya. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.